Hey learners, this is Assistant Professor Kailesh Muralidhar Jaitwar. Welcome you all in this lecture. Today we will going to start our Unit 2. We have completed our Unit 1. Now we are on the Unit 2. Notes for Unit 1 will be provided very soon. In 4 to 5 days I will be providing you notes for Unit 1. So let us start with our first chapter of Unit 2. Okay, you have total 4 units from which we have completed one and we are now studying the second one. So in this unit you have 2 broad chapters under which there are lots of concepts. So we will going to start the first one, named Strategic Management Accounting. We have seen what is cost and management accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, financial accounting. Now we are understanding here what is strategic management accounting, which is the part of management accounting, right? So let's start with our strategic management accounting. So first see its name indicating strategic, that strategic management accounting. That means this accounting will provide you help to assist you in managing the business strategically. It will provide you such types of techniques, tools, methods to manage the business properly. Hence, this chapter become important for every corporate sector, for every company. So let us start with our first topic of second unit, that is strategic management accounting. Let us have the definition of strategic management accounting. What definition says is, this definition is given by Innes, INNES. I will be providing the deep definition in your notes. Just for studying, we have not written full definition. We have written part of that definition. In notes we will be studying full definition of strategic management accounting. Let's have definition for strategic management accounting. Strategic management accounting as the provision of information to support the strategic decision. Again we will repeat, strategic management accounting will provide you provision of information. That means strategic management accounting will provide you bundle of information to take decisions in proper manner, to run the business in proper manner. The other part of definition is to support long-term goals, to provide significant effect on the organization. That means it will support long-term goals. If a company has a very long-term goal, let's say a goal for more than, after we will going to complete this goal after 3 to 5 years, hence it supports long-term goals. It will provide you some techniques, strategies which will assist you to complete your goal properly in long term and in short term as well. And it provides significant effect. Because of strategic management accounting, that means SMA. Strategic management accounting will provide significant effect on the organization. If the tools of strategic management accounting can be used properly, one business can get prosperous future, right? Let us have some important features of SMA. SMA means strategic management accounting. First feature is SMA focuses on strategic decision making. We will going to see the important tools and techniques which is included in this accounting system, which will provide us a decision to make our future a prosperous, to grab some opportunities from market to get to achieve our goals properly. It will focus on strategic decision making. Strategic decision making means top management, CEO, MDs, and the other executive managers of corporate can take decisions in effective manner by analyzing some important tools and techniques of SMA. Coming to the second feature of SMA is control expenses ratio. SMA tools will provide you some types of ratios and percentage which will assist you to analyze what is the expenses, what is the income, what is the difference between expenses and income, is there any loss, is there any income, is there any gain, or a lump sum loss. These all types of analysis can be done by the help of SMA. Hence, by analyzing the expenses ratio which is provided by SMA, it can control expenses to reduce down cost of various project. The other feature of SMA is identifies new opportunity. It will provide you comparative data. It will provide you comparative data to analyze something which is related to your project. Example, it will provide ratio which we can calculate for project A or project B, which we can analyze at proper manner. Example, project A is giving return of rupees 5 lakhs in 5 years, and project B is providing same amount of return, that means rupees 5 lakhs in 3 years. Then we will going to choose definitely the project B. That means these types of ratio can be provided by SMA. Because of these types of analysis, we will going to get new opportunities in the market, exact like project B. Next feature is extension of traditional accounting. SMA means strategic management accounting, which is the part of modern techniques of accounting, modern techniques in accounting system. It will provide you something advanced and modern techniques which will assist you to grow your business in a very large business environment. And unlike traditional accounting, it will not restrict and bind you to particular thing. It will explore opportunities by using tools and techniques which is included in SMA system. Last feature of this accounting system is gaining competitive advantage. If these all features fulfilled properly, a company can take proper decision. And if let's come to the second feature, control expense ratio. Example, if company A has controlled his expenses, that means that company can boost its profits more than the other company, and because of the boost of this profit, that company can involve in research and development process, because that company has earned lots of profit from market, and because of research and development, a company can grow more than the competitors. Hence, because of tools and techniques of SMA, one company can take benefit from business as compared to the other competitive firms which is now present in business environment currently in particular region. This is all about the definition and features. Coming to the second part of this video is, we will going to consider here is techniques of SMA. Techniques of SMA has techniques of SMA is a contains huge topics. It contains various types of concept which assist you to grow your business properly in this competitive era. But here we will going to take some of the important topics from pocket of some important topic. First one is target costing. Target costing, target costing says, it target costing determine products life cycle cost from the designing of the product till the selling and consuming of the product. The cost which will company will incur, that cost is known as target costing. This cost will be calculated under this costing system, that means in target costing system. There are some other topics as well. This in this video we will going to take the very basic things about this concept. You have from these 7 things, you have 3 in detail, which we will going to cover in next video. But in this video we will going to cover these 7 in very basic manner. Okay, coming to the second technique of strategic management accounting. Second technique is Kaizen costing. Kaizen costing means a costing system which can reduce your cost by reducing down the expenses, reducing down your wastages, by which you can increase your profit margin from particular product. This is all about Kaizen costing. Coming to the third technique is life cycle costing. Life cycle costing says cost from invention to abandonment. That means from the invention of particular product till the selling or till the consumption of the product, what the company has incurred, some expenses from in particular product can be calculated in this costing system, in life cycle costing system. From the invention till the use, whichever expenses will be covered by a company can be calculated by this costing system, by life cycle costing system. Fourth technique of SMA is theory of constraints. Theory of constraints says constraints determine performance of particular business. That means business performance is dependent upon particular constraints of particular company. If company has less resource, that company will perform less as compared to the company who has more and various types of resources. Fifth technique of SMA is benchmarking. Benchmarking is the system where one company can measure company's success against a competitor, against a company which is as same as this company as well, but here what they will find some similarities in companies and will assess the performance of the competitor. In this system, the company will compare the financial statements or any performance or product in particular manner to compare performance of self with the competitor, which is known as benchmarking. Sixth technique of SMA is activity based management. Activity based management is based on your activities which will be performed, which a company is performing in particular year, and it evaluate, this SMA technique evaluate your cost of your activities. Whatever the cost will be incurred by particular activity, that can be evaluated, can be assessed by this technique, by activity based management technique. Coming to the last but very important technique is just in time technique. It is also known as JIT, just in time technique, JIT technique. It align raw material orders from suppliers to manufacturers. That means it totally eradicate the suppliers, raw material provider suppliers, and directly deal with the it deal with directly with the raw material provider, not the middle suppliers. It totally cut down the layer of or stages of suppliers and directly involved in supply chain management. By getting this supply chain management, company can get raw material at very cheap cost. Because of these cheap cost, they can produce more at less cost, and because of this, one company can increase its margin by very higher rate as compared to its competitor. It involved in inventory strategy. They made inventory strategy themselves. They call raw material and produce. They totally reduce down suppliers from whole chain. That is how they can take benefit of lower cost. This is all about your techniques. We have seen definition, features and techniques in this video, and notes for first unit will be provided soon in 4 to 5 days, and for this for unit 1 you will be getting assignment very soon. So please see all lectures to understand all the concepts which is included in your syllabus, and please study. Thank you.